Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Bala here. And welcome you all to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. In this video, just going to create two more scanners. So recently we created hourly time frame demand and supply. That is exactly the trend reversal candle which we are tried. And this video, so rally, base rally and drop, base drop. So both we are going to create in this video and based on hourly time frame. So already we created a daily time frame. So this video hourly time frame, and then the scanners will be shared on our premium group. So those who are member, and then you can use it and you can modify whatever the time frame you want. So already we created a customized indicator and it would be mostly never repaint. Okay, so that is what a condition which you have created. And now so we are going to create this video for the first part, which we are going to create a rally and a base and a rally. So simple, we are just going to create, and it would be helping you to find out a breakout trades or a breakdown trades. So let me create a 1 hour time frame. So we are looking for a demand candle. It's a customized indicator on 16 minutes time frame. Okay, so 1 hour, and it must be greater than, this is a normal formula, so which we have used all. So because of the adjustment of that particular scanner, in the same we can copy it, and here it should be the supply candle, so which we have created with scanners. Custom indicators, and that should be less than number 0.5, and we can adjust the numbers. That's very important. So that's why we are using like this, and a demand candle greater than 0.5. So this would be -1 and this should be -2. So this is normal thing. So where we find a supply and demand on hourly time frame. So let me check Wipro. Let me try. In this case, big candle, and then so we need to fetch is a rally and base a drop. This would be we need to find out, and if you are reducing this number also, we will be getting very tight range of the stock. So let me try. In this case, we will be trying to create a rally and a base and then a rally. So we will be fetching with this chart scanner, so the rally candle and a base candle and one more rally candle and 16 minutes time frame. So that is exactly 1 hour time frame which we are trying to find out with this scanner. So the first candle, that should be the close must be greater than the open, right? So this will be helping you to find out that should be a rally candle. So you have to create the open price. Okay, so let me change it on hourly time frame. And this is also be a 1 hour time frame. Okay, same which we can copy, and -2 candle, and this will fetch you exactly the rally based rally thing. So as of now, so we don't get any stocks at this moment. Close. Let me save the scan to text a back test. Okay, if any stocks is forming, so I think around 215 we have a lot of stocks like Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance, yeah, it's a rally at a 215. This is a 215 candle, a rally and a base in the rally, but the base candle should be very big here at this moment. So we can reduce the number of size. So it must be very less compared to the previous candle. I think this is an exact pattern. So where we are looking for, and how do we find out the same pattern with this formula, so ABS, and this is an absolute value. So we have one more custom indicator, the high and the low, and it should be 1 hour, create 1 hour high minus low, and it should be a 2 candles ago. Okay, so we'll use 2 second candle, that is a third candle. In this case, the current candle -1 and -2, that is the third candle, and that high minus low must be greater than ABS. ABS means it's an absolute value. Someone who are asking the comment of what is an ABS. ABS is nothing about absolute value. If the red candle high minus low, it may be a negative value. So we have to find out with an absolute values only. We are comparing about the candle. Okay, so -1 hour candle should be number 3 times multiplied by the number 3. So whatever, if you are making a number 4, it should be very smaller in candle. So if you are doing this, and we will be finding only few number of stocks, Navin Fluoride at 10,950. So Navin Fluoride 10,950. So this is an exact pattern which we are looking for, where you can see a rally and a base in the rally. So it's a exact timing also you can look for 10th September 9:15. If you are looking at 10th September 9:50. So this is what an pattern. So if you are decreasing the values, for example 3 times, and if I'm running this, we will be getting more stocks. I think today IRCTC at 215. So IRCTC at 215. Let me check. Here is the pattern. So which happening here, a rally and a base and again a rally. Okay, something like that. So whenever we have to adjust this one, and we will be getting, and even we can also create with the same pattern with same conditions. Let me try. So current 1 hour candle, current candle minus lows greater than -1, minus lows than number 3. So let me check. We have a few number of stocks, and Aramco Cements and Tata Communication at this time 10,9. Aramco Cements, let me check. Aramco Cements 10 and 9. Here you can see this would be a rally and a base and rally. Something is good. And let me check with the Tata Communication. Even we can add it. So this one. So 10:15, 9:15 and 10th September rally and base in the rally. So like that also we can create, and it will be helping you to find out the rally based rally and on hourly time frame. Okay. So this would be helping you to find out a rally based rally, and I will be save this. Okay. Okay, then one more thing which we are going to focus, it's a drop based drop. So where I'm just focusing for a drop and a base and a drop, same scenario. So I need to change some values only. Here it should be the less than both. If you are changing this, and it would be a scanner for drop based drop. Let me check whether it is working right or not. So we have a few stocks at this moment at 12th September 9:15, GNFC today. That is a huge move which is happening. 9:15. This is what, sorry, 12th September, right? This is what a time. So drop and a base and a drop. And one more condition also, we should create continuation pattern. So let me try to do it. Instead of 4, we will use 3. Okay, that is a 3. And this current candle low, it should be greater than the previous candle low. So that will be helping. So for example, high of that current candle. Okay, so that is in 16 minutes, 1 hour time frame. Okay, so it must be less than high of the previous one. So this will fetch you -1. So here what I'm just looking for, exactly drop based drop which you are looking at this candle. So if you are adding this condition, so what we get it. So here is a drop candle, and the second one is a base candle, and the third one also be a drop candle. It should not be greater than this high. So this would be like lower highs, something which forms like that. And this I also we can fetch it is less than this. So we can add it one more conditions here. We will be creating or getting a very perfect stocks. This is sort of one more thing, -1 I less than the -2. If you are doing this, we got a few number of stocks by this backtest. If we are changing, run this, we will be getting only few stocks. So mostly the scanners will help you to find a very few number of stocks. Maybe here you can see what would happen. So here VEDL, Indalco, SRF. Yesterday I think yesterday 9:15 VEDL, Indalco and SRF. So let me go for an VEDL. I think this is in gap down. Sorry, 11th, na? 11th 9:15. This is what. So yesterday and very small, and it is a drop based drop. So where you can see, and higher lows which forming. Here's the high, sorry, lower highs, and keep on continuous, and maybe after that it is giving you some movement. And Indalco, SRF, And I'll go something like that here, 1 and 2 and 3. That is also becoming a pattern. And SRF, that is also becoming a pattern. 11, 1, 2, 3 here. 11th. So like we can add it. So this is what the scanner which helping you to find out hourly drop based drop. And I can save as this, right? And one more thing which we have created. So we can add it under the same conditions here. Here what we are going to take the low of that particular candle 16 minutes, and that would be greater than low of -1 candle, and same we can copy it and low -1 and -2. So here we will be getting the keep on forming a lower rise. Okay, so let me run this, and we have a very few number of stocks. And 9/15 September, Tata Communication and Navin Fluoride. Tata Communications, here is the pattern. One is a high and the second one and third one. So it is keep on rising. So this is maybe working. So after that, we can see some good movement. So here. So low is greater than the previous one. So such a, sometimes it may be lower than this, but even more powerful pattern. So we can find out with this help of the scanner. So we can modify a lot of ideas we can implement with this scanner's creation. But for that we need to know the logic and the conditions very clear. Then we can create whatever we want, and we can create it. And this is for a Navin fluoride also same, na? Navin fluoride which forming a such a pattern. So rally and a base, sorry, when it is happened here, rally base, but in this case it doesn't move well. 9/15 on 10, but it is moves well. Maybe if I'm taking entry, if I'm keep that reversal, maybe at the low of the candle is triggers, and I will be just focusing there is a downtrend also. Maybe this is a scanner will help you to find the stocks, and you need to apply your trade logic and patterns to implement on it. Okay, so previously any other stocks on Ambuja Cement 5924, 5924. Here is the pattern. That what a thing. So rally and base and the rally, and after that there is a movement on the next stage. So I hope you enjoyed the session, and this would be hourly and weekly scanners which you have created, and that would be added into the group. So all 4 hourly time frames, so like supply and demand, and like rally based rally, drop based drop, and something a drop based rally which happened at the lowest level, and that we find out, and something rally base and drop also we will finding for a trend reversal. I hope you enjoying the sessions, and last few weeks you are giving a great support on my YouTube channel, and thank you so much. And we are crossing now 12,000 subscribers on my channel. Thank you so much for those who are subscribing, and those who are still watching the videos and not subscribing, kindly support the channel and subscribe the channel to get more update, even more powerful scanners and screeners which we are going to create in this channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you.